Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. Yeah, on the ADA chart, we are still tracking here a possible 5-wave move to the upside. This has, as you might remember from previous videos, certainly reduced a little bit in likelihood that ADA is here already in a bullish move to the upside. Why is that the case? It's the case because we've dipped a little bit too low in this decline. Now you might say, but okay, but it's trying to turn around here, isn't it? Yes, it's trying to, but it morphed from what was a possible impulse, which would have been really bullish. It's morphed into a possible diagonal structure. And in this diagonal structure, we still need waves 3, 4, and 5 to complete, possibly reaching 48 to 49 cents at least. As an indication that we've really bottomed here in a larger wave 2 on the 5th of August. So there is much more work to do to really support and confirm that bullish scenario. Yeah, and it's always a first step to failure, in my opinion, when, or in my experience, when the price is morphing from what looks like a impulse into a diagonal. And it can fail along the way and morph from an impulse into a diagonal when within what would be a third wave here, the price dips too low, but is still holding a higher low above the wave 2 low. And then the subwaves look all corrective. Here, this looks like a 3-wave move up. So the diagonal pattern is still valid. Okay, the support area hasn't changed since yesterday. So you know about this support region already if you watched yesterday's video. We talked about it. The support region is defined between 33.6 cents and 35.9 cents. And we could now have started wave C of 3 to the upside. Are there any indications for it? Well, not much other than a green candle that stretches out of the support zone. Do we have any trend lines? Well, yeah, a trend line broke, which might have been an early signal. Yes, we're holding the 78.6 retracement at 33.6 cents, so the yellow count is being kept alive. But there isn't really anything else, you know. We just need to see now if the price can hold the last low that formed yesterday at around 34 cents. If that's the case, we might be on our way up here in wave C of 3. If that's the case, then wave C to the upside should reach the 100% extension. That's around 43 cents. But the next larger fib level based on the initial 1-2 setup is located at 44 cents. So that would be my next, let's say, rough target zone between 43 and 44 cents. But if really a third wave is unfolding, we know that the third wave should actually reach the 1.38 extension. So 45.6 cents remains the next main target that we also talked about yesterday. But for now, let's just see if today the market can generate a little bit more upside momentum, hold the last swing low, hold above the support zone. If we break below that last low, I think it would already increase the likelihood of it breaking. And the white count would then indicate that, or let's say if we break below the support zone, then also take out the Thursday, 15th of August low that's located at 32 cents. That would be a good indication that we're actually still in the larger correction, which started in March, right? So please be aware of that. It really is important that we're now holding the support zone, and the formal invalidation point for the yellow count is this 15th of August low that I mentioned, around 32 cents. So yeah, that's pretty much where we are currently here with ADA. Bitcoin is trying to break above resistance right now, so it's could be shaping up to be an interesting day, really, you know. Bitcoin here sets the stage for some altcoin recoveries as well, but Bitcoin hasn't broken resistance yet. But if you watched my previous video from today, then you know that we were watching for a possible break above the trend line. I think Bitcoin is currently trying to do that, and that would have a positive impact on some altcoins as well. But yeah, overall, still a lot of uncertainty in the altcoin space. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.